Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you what the different operating LEDs mean on our MXS 7.0 battery charger. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. When the MXS 7.0 is powered up, the green power LED lights up, along with an orange LED that corresponds with whatever mode the unit was in the last time it was switched off. If this is the first time you've used the charger, it'll be in normal mode. Whichever charging mode you're in, the battery LEDs will light up at different times during the charging process. When the first charging LED lights up, the charger is using its desulfation stage to safely remove harmful sulfates from your battery. It's also making sure your battery can actually take the charge. The second charging LED is indicating that the charger is using maximum current to charge your battery up to approximately 80% of its actual capacity. And when the third LED lights up, the charger is using a declining current with constant voltage to get your battery safely up to 100% capacity. If your battery is being completely flat, when this LED lights up, your car can now be started. The charger is also testing your battery just to make sure it can hold the charge. If the recon mode has been selected, the reconned confirmation LED will illuminate to confirm this process is taking place. And when the fourth step LED lights up, the battery is fully charged. When it's fully charged, you can safely keep the MXS 7.0 connected to the battery for long periods of time, so it's always ready to use when you need it. Now, like all CTEK battery chargers, the MXS 7.0 is extremely safe and reliable. It's short circuit proof, splash and dust proof, and as we mentioned earlier, it's spark free. If the red arrow light on the top left of the charger lights up, there are a few things you'll need to double check. 1. Are the clamps on the right way round? Red on positive terminal and black on ground or earth. 2. Is the battery that you're charging a 12-volt battery? 3. Has the charging process been stopped at either the first step, which means your battery might be seriously sulfated, or at the second step, which means your battery can't be charged, or at the third step, which means your battery can't hold its charge? If you're still unsure, try the charger on a known good battery to check the functionality of the charger. Well, that's just about everything you need to know about your CTEK MXS 7.0 battery charger. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.